What is RxJS? RxJS is a reactive extension for JavaScript. RxJS follows a programming paradigm of what is known as reactive programming. It is more concerned with data streams, event emitters, and propagation of data to its associated views. And before I start, I like to let you know that this is mostly of a theory-based video and we won't be doing coding along. And RxJS is not just for Angular, it is available without Angular too. So you can just use vanilla JavaScript for and make use of RxJS goodness. And RxJS in Angular works with the use of observable type and event emitters. In most of my videos, you may have seen subscribe and event emitters. Yes, they are RxJS indeed. At first, understanding RxJS is really hard. That is due to the mindset of development style we have been used to in JavaScript world, which is imperative. RxJS is also hosts a large set of APIs, exceptional concepts, and fundamental mindset shift which makes it hard to grasp its concept at first. When one thinks of reactive programming, all you need to think about is streams. Well, obviously, streams or sequence of data. In our case, an observable is a stream, or better yet, it is our source of data. It may be from an API response or it could be from a shared service using next call method, and you can create an observable literally from anything. You can use of, from, or from event and set the stream of observables or listen to a DOM event using from event. So when observable are there to send out streams of data, then there is subscriptions to capture it. Basically, subscriptions are an observer who listens to incoming data streams. Now, let this sink into your mind. Observable, observer, subscription, and operators like map, tap, etc., etc. So these are the things that you'll be hearing more often and more in this upcoming videos. So it is observables, which are streams, observer, which is a subscription, and so on. So you need to subscribe to an observable in order to observe the data you expect. You got it right? That's observable and observer. Okay, observable is a stream of data and observer is a subscriber who listens to the data. The data could be anything: string, numbers, arrays, boolean, or even JSON objects. I mean, majority of the time it will be JSON object, when you're working in a real world use case scenario. When you subscribe to an observable by calling subscribe method, it always returns you a logic to unsubscribe it, which we will be dealing with that later in our upcoming videos. Apart from this, there are various operators to manipulate data that is received from subscription, which also we'll be dealing with it when we progress along. This is just the getting started video. My next video will contain more in-depth code related examples to demonstrate how everything falls into one piece. Thank you for watching Code with Srini. See you on next video.